Hello YouTube, this is Changelog 21 for Heist, a game about cooperatively robbing banks with your friends. So I've been back from my holiday for a couple of weeks and I'm getting back into the swing of things. This week I've done work on 3 different things. The first thing that I've worked on, and this one's still a work in progress, it's going to be the bulk of my work for next week as well, is non-player characters detecting suspicious activities. I built a framework for suspicious events to emit messages, which NPCs can process and then react. So, for example, if you fire a gun, it emits an audible event, which NPCs can hear, and then they'll run over to where the sound came from and look around to see if there's someone suspicious there with a gun. Then, of course, there's a similar system in place for events which NPCs can see rather than hear. So if they see you holding a gun and then you disappear around the corner, they'll run over to where they last saw you and look around to see where you are now. This system's very sketchy at the moment, and like I say, it'll be the bulk of my work for next week as well. Now the second thing I worked on is related to this. I added sound. There's been a sound system in-game which has been 90% complete for ages, months. So with the advent of audible events that NPCs can hear, I decided that actually I would like to hear them too. The sound system's still pretty basic, there's a lot of scope to improve it in the future, but it's good to have something basic in place. And you know, it's surprising how much immersion just a few basic sounds can add. And the final thing that I worked on was refactoring a load of ugly code. Now this doesn't sound very important, but this actually insulates mods from breaking changes made within the engine, which is really important because it future-proofs things and means that I can develop the engine without breaking every single mod every single time. This is going to be an ongoing effort, and honestly it's never going to be finished, it'll just get better over time. And that's it for this week. If you'd like to keep up with the latest news on the project, you can follow me on Twitter as Martin D. Evans, you can follow my development blog at martindevans.me, or of course you can subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.